Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. Let's make this classic summer essential recipe, Aamras. To make some thick and creamy Aamras, you need to blend together chopped ripe mangoes along with a pinch of salt, sugar according to taste, cardamom powder and a splash of milk. You can garnish it with toppings of your choice. We have used chopped mangoes, strands of saffron and finely chopped pistachios. Serve it with hot pooris or rotis and enjoy. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. See you in the next one.